Okay, on the last video I showed you how to do this by using distributive property, which I will show you at the end of this, just to do it kind of real quickly as a summary. But ladies and gentlemen, you know, the distributive property works, and for some of you it might be the best way for you to solve these. But a lot of times once you get practice on this, we should be able to just take a look at this and know what the answer is. Negative n plus 4, and I'm just going to kind of represent this a little bit, just kind of out there so you can see exactly how I'm getting my problem. So just like with negative numbers, variables can have the same properties. Let's say I have you know, a negative n and we'll just call a positive n. Those are going to, what we say, will cancel out. So here I have a negative n, which I'm going to represent as a negative n. Plus 4n is going to really be plus n plus n plus n plus n. Okay, because that's really n plus n is really means 4 times n. So what you can see is that is going to cancel out, and all I'm left with is n plus n, which is 3n. And if you just kind of took a look at your number, you know, negative n plus 4n is going to be 3n. Pretty kind of obvious. And the other way, if you want to look at distributive property, both of a negative 1 is being multiplied by n, and a 4 is being multiplied by n. So what I could do is I factor out an n, I'd be left with negative 1 plus 4, which now inside the parentheses I could combine to give me a 3, which I can rewrite as a 3n. So just wanted to kind of go through that and at least explain how I did this 3n without using the distributive property. And then I showed you with the distributive property for fun.